Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Introduction to Trigonometry. Trigonometry is derived from Greek word tri means three, gon means side, and metry means measure. So trigonometry is that branch of mathematics that studies relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. We will discuss trigonometric ratios in this chapter. Trigonometric ratios are the ratios of sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angles. Okay, let's write the trigonometric ratios. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. First is sine, second is cosine, tangent, cosec, sec, secant, and 6 is cotangent. Now draw a right angle triangle and name it as ABC, right angle at B. Now find sine of angle A. Sine of angle A is equal to side opposite to angle upon hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Side opposite to angle A is BC and hypotenuse here is AC. So sine of any angle is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay. Now cosine of angle A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Now base will be side adjacent to angle A is AB upon hypotenuse AC. AB upon AC. It is base upon hypotenuse. Tangent of angle A is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular for angle A will be side opposite to angle A is BC and side adjacent to angle A is AB. So it is BC upon AB. BC is perpendicular and AB is base. Cosec of angle A is, that is cosecant. It is cosecant. Cosecant of angle A is, cosecant is reciprocal of sine. So sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse and cosecant will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine. It is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse is AC and perpendicular for angle A is side opposite to angle A is BC. It is perpendicular. Secant of angle A is, secant is reciprocal of cosine. So 1 upon cosine of angle A. Cosine is base upon hypotenuse. So secant will be hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse is AC and base is AB. Cotangent of angle A will be, cotangent is reciprocal of tangent. 1 upon tangent of angle A will be, tangent of angle A is perpendicular upon base. Now cotangent will be base upon perpendicular. It is base. I am using only first letter. Base will be, for angle A, base is AB and perpendicular is BC. Let's do some NCERT questions of exercise 8.1. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm. Determine sin A and cos A. Draw right angle triangle and right angle is at B. AB is equal to 24 cm and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. As it is right angle triangle, we can calculate AC from Pythagoras theorem by using Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. This is Pythagoras theorem. AB square is AB is okay, right, first BC is 7 square plus AB is 24 square. 7 square is 49 and 24 square is 576. We will get 625. AC will be do the square root of this and AB is 25 centimeter. Now I had to calculate sin A. Sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For this angle A, the perpendicular is 7 and hypotenuse is same. Hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angle triangle. So it is BC upon AC. BC is 7 and AC I had calculated 25. Okay, this is sin. And cos A, find cos A. Cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base for angle A is AB. AB upon AC. AB here is 24 upon 25. Now I had to calculate second part, sin C cos C. Now angle is changed here. Now I had to calculate for this angle sin C. Sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now for this angle I am calculating sin C. Now for angle C, the perpendicular is AB. Side opposite to angle is perpendicular. So perpendicular for angle C is AB. Hypotenuse is same, AC. AB is 24. Hypotenuse is this 25. Now for cos C. Cos C is base upon hypotenuse. For angle C, base is side adjacent to angle is BC. BC upon AC. BC is 7 upon 25. This is the first question. Let's take second question. In figure 8.13, this is the figure. Find tan P minus cot R. Let us draw the figure. It is Q R P. 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter. As it is a right angle triangle, I will calculate QR by using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem will be hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Base is QR. 13 square will be 169. It is 144 plus QR square. Take this to this side. It is 25. And QR will be, take the square root of 25. QR will be 5. Now find tan P. Tan P, the angle is P. Tan is perpendicular upon base. Now for this angle P, perpendicular is QR. Side opposite to angle P is QR. And base is side adjacent to angle P is PQ. QR is 5 and PQ is 12. It is 10 V. Now find cot R. Now the angle is this R. Cot is base upon perpendicular. Base is QR. Side adjacent to angle R is this. And P is side opposite to angle R is PQ. QR is 5 and PQ is 12. Now I had to calculate tan P minus cot R. Tan P is 5 upon 12. Cot R is also 5 upon 12. Cancel these values and we'll get 0. Answer. Let's take another question. These two questions are similar, so I am calculating question number 4. I am solving question number 4. Question number 4 is given 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A and sec A. 15 cot A is equal to 8. Take this 15 to the denominator of 8, as cot is base upon perpendicular. So this 8 is base and perpendicular is 15. Base is 8. I am using k. K is a positive integer. Perpendicular is 15k. Draw a right angle triangle. Okay, I am calculating hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus base square. H is AC square is equal to perpendicular is 15k square, base is 8k square. 15 square is 225 plus 64k square. Add these values, will get 289k square, and AC will be 17k. AC is 17k for cot A. This is base and this is perpendicular. Okay, now I have to calculate sin A. Sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For this angle sin A, perpendicular is BC upon AC. BC is 15k and AC is 17k. It is 15k upon 17k. Cancel this. So answer is 15 upon 17. Okay. And I had to calculate sec A also. Sec A is the reciprocal of cos, and it is hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse is AC and base is AB. AC upon AB. AC is 17k and AB is 8k. It is 17 upon 8. Answer. Let's see question number 5. Given sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Question number 5. Sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, and sec is hypotenuse upon base. So this 13 is hypotenuse 13k, k is positive integer. And base is 12k. By using Pythagoras theorem, we will calculate perpendicular. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is 13k square. Perpendicular I had to calculate, base is 12k square. 169k square. 144k square. Take this to this side, and we will find it is 25. P is equal to 5k. Okay. Now I have to calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Sec is given, and I will calculate sine, cos, tan, cosine, cosec and cot. First of all, I will calculate sine. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 5k and hypotenuse is 13k. Sine is 5 upon 13. Okay. Now find cos theta. Cos is base upon hypotenuse. Base is 12k and hypotenuse is 13k. So it is 12 upon 13. Now calculate tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 5k and base is 12k. It is 5 upon 12. Now find cosec theta. Cosec theta is hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse is 13k and base is 12k. It is cosec is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, so it will be 13k upon perpendicular is 5k, and cot theta is base upon perpendicular, base is 12k and perpendicular is 5k, 12 upon 5. Answer. Remaining questions I'll solve in the next video. I hope you like the calculations. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.